Hey writers, welcome to today's writing lesson. Today we are beginning step 1 of the writing process, which is pre-writing. And we're going to specifically be brainstorming today. So let's look at our objective together and then read it on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Kipsters will be able to identify ideas for visuals to include in a research report by brainstorming. So we are continuing our work with our writing project, which is all about the different planets. And we are going to come up with some ideas that we would want to, for the visuals, like the pictures or the diagrams that you want to include in your research report. And we're going to do this by brainstorming. Remember, brainstorming is the first step in the writing process. And this is where it gets everything started. We're going to use a graphic organizer to make sure we make a plan and stay organized. So there are going to be 4 steps that we need to follow when we are brainstorming. Step 1 is we need to gather our materials. We need to get all of our materials. What is step 1? We need to get our materials. That is where we're going to get our brainstorming graphic organizer and we're going to get the texts. So that is the first step in our brainstorming, and to get our materials. Step 2 is to decide what you will brainstorm. What planet are you going to be brainstorming today? So that is step 2. You're picking your planet. Step 3 is you're going to be answering a question about the planet that you chose. You're going to answer a question about your planet. So that is step 3. And step 4 is where you're going to identify the differences between your planet and our planet, which is Earth. So you're going to identify the differences. So how many steps are you going to follow today? 4. Step 1, you're going to get your materials. 2, you're going to decide what you will brainstorm. 3, you're going to answer questions about the planet. And then step 4 is you're going to identify the differences between the planet and Earth. So writers, in the next video, I am going to go ahead and model each step for you. And please follow along in the next video.